Let's learn planes. Look at the pictures. What kind of surfaces do you see? The surfaces in the first two pictures are flat. Each flat surface is a part of an infinite surface. In mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. The name of the plane in the picture is H. Even though we draw a suitably small figure of the plane, it actually extends infinitely on all sides. Arrows are drawn to show that the plane extends infinitely in all directions. However, these arrows are often omitted for the sake of convenience. Parallel lines. Look at the page from a notebook. In this page, a part of a plane? Yes. If we extend the lines that run sideways on the page, will they meet each other somewhere? No, because that line are parallel line. They do not intersect each other. Now I know lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. Write the proper term intersecting lines or parallel lines in each of the empty boxes. First, intersecting line. Second, parallel lines. Third, intersecting lines.